In this video, I'll show you how to add a business location on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open your Instagram profile page. If you're currently using a personal account, you'll first need to switch to a professional account. To do this, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Account Type and Tools. Now tap on Account Type, then tap Switch to Professional Account. Follow the setup process and choose Business Account when prompted. Once your account has been converted, return to your profile page. Now tap Edit Profile. Scroll down until you find the Public Business Information section. Tap on Contact Options. From here, select Business Address. Now enter your business information, including your street address, city, state, and postal code. Make sure all of the details are entered correctly. Once you've finished, tap Save. You can also add a business phone number if you want customers to contact you directly. Enter your phone number and verify it using the code sent by Instagram. After verification is complete, save your changes. Return to your profile page, and your business location should now appear on your Instagram profile. This makes it easier for customers and visitors to find your business directly from Instagram. And that's it. That's how to add a business location on Instagram. If you found this guide helpful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.